Yes, sir, ski. Guys, we're gonna take this dash off. I have no idea what I'm doing, but hey, I think it's these two screws right here. 1, 2, pretty much. It's a flathead, a Phillips. You guys can see. Come on, get it. Yep. And then we just take that off. I took those off. I don't know why my camera's being blurry for some reason. I don't know if it's because the light over there, but it's kind of weird. Not liking that. By the way, I got my new hybrid shifter. I am gonna lower this. I feel like it's too high, but fire. Got the two screws off. Now I think we could just, oh yeah, look, you can just pull this whole thing off right here. All right, let me get 2 hands. Oh, never mind. It just pulled off. Cool. So there ended up being a screw behind here. I did some YouTube searches, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I don't want to ruin my dash, bro. This car's pretty clean, so I don't know. Spiel me. Oh, there it goes. There. Come on. There it goes. Oh. Okay, cool. That's that. I got no nails. I hate connectors, man. There it goes. So you want to take this off, take your connector, probably toss it in the back. There is a screw right here, another screw. Come on. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Oh, there it is. Hope I didn't break anything. Sounded like I did. That's cool. No, I didn't break shit. Let's go. Now we got, you could tell somebody already ran maybe an aftermarket dash. There's 1 screw here missing, 1 screw here missing. There's only 2 screws. See if I can get in there. No, sir. By hand it is then, huh? This is going to be the other fun part. Get it the hell. 2. It's out of here, boys. If anybody was wondering what it looks like back here, it's just a few wires. I did run the vacuum line from the front to the back. It's over here. Look at this mess I have, guys. But I am going to run this up, and then it's going to go into the FuelTech. So hopefully I can see it right there. Alrighty, guys. I got the hose up here. I'm running it under there somewhere. There's a mess because this guy tucked everything in, but it's right there. It's running under all those wires under here. I do want to get this centerpiece right here. Like, I don't want any seat and I don't want the rear seat. I'd love to have this completed because I have everything. I'm just missing this one little piece that I heard is pretty hard to find. If anybody knows the name, hit me up. I need it. But yeah, so we're good here. Now it's time to get this onto the FuelTech, and then we could go ahead and honestly just drop this steering wheel too. Plug up our FuelTech, and then what my tuner told me was to keep this on the FuelTech, just tuck it in the back, but keep it in at all times, because you don't want to take the whole dash apart to go ahead and retune. So alright, guys, so it's on the floor, and then the other side is up here. I'm gonna connect this to the FuelTech, but I'm not gonna put the FuelTech in, 100% mounted up, only because I have to get I'm gonna pick it up today, but I gotta get the O2 sensor, and then I gotta get this harness. So the O2 sensor and harness and all that, I hope can fit in there as well, because I don't know where else to run it. But yeah, so here we are. Gonna plug this in, vacuum line. Alrighty, guys, so I pretty much got this in. I just gotta take out the connector I connected yesterday and actually do it right. Then route it under here, I think, under the carpet, and then to the battery. Probably put the seats back in. I'm not sure if I'm gonna dig this or not. We'll have to see. But and then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then remove the ground, of course, and then get this plug. Where is it? This plug to go under there, up here again, and then the plug into the FuelTech. So that's pretty dope right there. I forgot I got a quick release this whole time. I'm a buster, bro. Look, I could have done this whole time. I'm a buster, bro. Oh crap, that's funny. Anyways, let me clean all this, guys, because there's a lot going on here. It's getting me a little irritated. And let's continue. All right, guys, I don't know how I'm gonna get a good video of this, but I'm gonna go ahead and route this harness. So this is for the whole dash. I'm gonna route this under all that jazz, throw it to the back, and then I'm gonna have to figure this fun part out because there's 3 wires here. Obviously, one's power, one's ground. Where's that last one? The red. The red's obviously power. I'm assuming the black's ground. But what's the yellow? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna plug it in, see if it turns over, power, ground, all that jazz. And then if it does work, I'm probably just gonna tape off the yellow, because I don't know what the yellow's for. Maybe it's for something else, like something special. If you're not running a plug and play harness, I'm not sure. But we'll see. We'll figure it out. Let's just get this out the way first, so I don't have a crazy mess of wires. All right, guys. So I plugged in the... Well, I didn't route this yet. This is still here. This is the connector for the back, and then this one's for the O2 back here. That one right here. But I'm gonna clean all this up, guys. Sorry, I'm about to just push it all the way up, and then maybe since I bought a 3D printer, maybe I could create like a little mount where I could hide all the wires and stuff. But as of right now, I'm trying to get this done. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and ground the dash and this possibly right here on this bolt. Yeah, that's where I think I'm gonna mount it. I mean, ground it. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But everything is in right now. So we got that in. So we're chilling right now. And then we're gonna do this real quick. So I've been putting everything through this hole right here. So I am gonna do the same thing with this one. Just gonna throw it up here. Just do your thing. There it is. Oh, come on. This is definitely a 2-hand job, guys. Sorry. As you can see, I just got it in. So it's all right here. Pretty much OEM, the way the OEM one was routed. It's not sharp, so it's not going to cut anything. And then it will get pushed back. I definitely got to pull this one down. Oh, okay, come on. Got it. Okay. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I got to figure out how I'm going to tuck all this. This is annoying, guys. This is really annoying. Yeah, so this right here is the O2, but O2 is right here still, you know, so I'm gonna tuck that under here as well. Oh, come on. This is so hard, guys, to film one here. You guys see the connector? Oh, come on, I'm gonna grab it over. All right, that's cool. That's cool right there. I am going to throw all these under as well. And then probably connect it to this. Because you guys remember, this is what's going to turn on the dash. This is confusing. I'm sorry, guys. But this whole relay and wire is what's going to turn on the dash. And then these 4 right here are for the ECU. I know one's power, one's ground, but I don't understand what the rest is. There's 4 wires cut. Like, I don't get it. So All right, guys, and we're good. I did nick this a bit, but I guess it goes away. It's like a little cushion. So everything's in. Everything's nice, tight. It was pretty easy install, guys. So pretty much there's one screw behind here, one screw here, one screw here. Then you can pop this whole thing out, and then that's it. Take your time though. Make sure nothing else, you know, happens. But yeah, so now we could officially do this. I didn't want to touch the screen earlier, but could go ahead and officially. Sheesh. That's nice. That is real nice. So all right, guys, so I got this figured out. So this whole harness right here, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, shout out to RPT, customer service A1. So these two black go together, they fuse together. The red, I'm gonna just put the red with this one. I'm gonna literally just put them together like this, and then I'm gonna, well, like this, and then I'm gonna hook it up to this one. And then I'll be the battery pretty much, because look at all that wire I got. So that's cool. And then yellow, he said I could cut. So yellow will be getting the chop. I'm probably just gonna cut it very small and then tape the tip. Obviously I don't want it to touch anything. So yeah, that's easy enough. Let's get this done. So guys, I went ahead and tied these two up. You guys can see there. Walmart, but I'd get them at Harbor Freight, they're cheaper, but Walmart has these connectors, all different sizes, gauges. So I just put the two black together like RPT said. I'm gonna put them in this hole, bang, and then I'm gonna crimp it. But before I do that, I'm gonna get a little piece of black shrink tube that I have, and then put it over this. So then once I connect it, I could just shrink it and it'll be a nice little connection. So this is what I'm talking about right here, all kind of shrink tube. And then I'm not going to use these. I do have a tool for this, so I'm going to use my tool. But yeah, so let's get this going. Alright guys, got it done right here. Little shrink. Bring you guys in a bit more. So I did a little shrink wrap right here. I should have got a bigger one to go over the yellow, but I pushed it in. I warmed it up. It got a little small. I pushed it in, and then yeah. But I should have really did one over. It'll look cleaner, but it's gonna be under the rug. Nobody's gonna be able to tell. But yeah, just gonna make sure it gets all in there. And that's where I grounded it, guys. So this is grounded. Remember the dash is under there. This is here. I'm gonna do the same thing with the dash. I know it works, so I'm gonna do the same thing there. And then as far as these, so yellow, I'm just gonna leave over there. All right, guys, so RPT told me to plug it up to ignition connection. So pretty much any fuse that'll only turn on when the battery's on. So like I did the ECU, it would still turn on without the key in there. I did all these and it still turned on. So what I went and did was I took this, guys, I didn't do any of this, by the way, so don't come at my neck. I got the car like this. I got to clean all this up. I'm going to bring it to a guy or something. He's going to clean this up because this is sketchy to me. I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but all this too, super sketchy, guys. Like super sketchy. So, yeah, so I ended up putting it right in here. So, this is the ignition switch. I literally just put the wire in there and then crimped it down pretty much, and now it's good. So now it's not on at all until I put the key in. Let me show you guys real quick. Yep, there you go. Easy money, baby. Now I just gotta tug all this. All right, guys, everything's buttoned up. I'm gonna show you guys it works. I tucked the wire and put the seats back in. I kind of wanted to rock it without the seats, but it does look kind of jank, and I don't know. I don't really rock with that. This car's already late, so here's the wire. I'm just gonna tuck it under here, under the seat. You guys already know the drill, and then you won't be able to see it at all. And I did a lot, guys. I cut everything super small because the harness was like way too long, which isn't a bad thing. It's always better to be longer than, you know, shorter and not have enough wire, I guess. But check it out. Yes, sir, guys. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I did take a lot of time out of my day. Just give a like, comment, subscribe, guys. And don't judge me on my wiring. This is my second time. I had a Honda Grom. I wired the bags and all that. Never had an issue. But this one, it's a car. It's different. And there was a lot of steps, guys. So yeah, I'll show you guys real quick how I did the O2 sensor, and then I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. Let me show you this real quick. All right, guys, so the O2 is right here. I'm just gonna zip tie it right here, but just give you guys a little glimpse. It still needs to be like fully tightened, but yeah, that's it. I put it through that little firewall opening, and that's it, guys. So like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys.